A neo-retro model from Italy is built differently because it uses an electric motor drive. Flat Tracker Italian Volt. The Reunion is individually produced to order. Flat Tracker Italian Volt. The Reunion is made by exotic manufacturers from Milan, Italy. Italian Volt. The Reunion was built with the platform of the Lacoma electric motor featured Italian Volt last year. The name of the Reunion is taken from Monza Reunion motorcycle show. This bike is dedicated to Reunion creator Matteo Adrini. Shown with a future flat Tiker figure, the Reunion comes with some blue honeycomb bodywork, as well as a full-color digital dash with its own internet connection during software update. There was also a short seat, and a cruiser-style main light. As the driving force, the Reunion equipped with a 70 kilowatts electric motor equal to 94 horsepower and a battery capacity of 15 kilowatt-hour. With the electric drive at Flat Tracker Italian Volt, the Reunion able to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.6 seconds, top speed 180 km/h, and JARC traveled 200 km. But the Italian Volt says performance and mileage could go further if the latest software update with motor control and battery management is more efficient. Each Italian Volt motor is tailor-made to its buyers, and with a number of orders already in the system, the company claims to be ready to begin shipping by the end of this year.